I'm really excited to share something really interesting with you. I succeeded to create a tool for automatic blog posting. So what I mean by automatic blog posting means that this tool, with one button, if you press one command, you can have a lot of blog posts generated with AI, basically with GPT or ChatGPT, and then you can have all of them uploaded or posted on your blog post. So here, if you pay attention to this blog post here I have, this is basically a blogger or a BlogSpot weblog. So here all these blog posts have been not only have been generated by AI, but also have been uploaded automatically. So everything you see here, all the titles, all the scripts here, the code you see here, and the structure here you see, everything all together have been created completely automatic. So let me demonstrate it to you how it works. So if I come here to my command line, the only thing I need to do to have a new blog post in my weblog, so if I go back here, the last post here, we can see, let me refresh it, we see a scalable machine learning with Python. So the only thing I need to do to have a new post around Python programming and this kind of topics. So actually I configured the tool in a way that it generates the topics around Python programming, machine learning, Python basics, functionalities in Python and different things, but it's all around programming with Python. You can configure it in another way so that it can generate all kinds of content for you, but for now it's just going to create something about Python. So if I try to hit enter here and generate a new blog post, just ignore this window, and as soon as we see the link, it's done, and we just need to stop the okay. So now you can see that it generates a new post with this topic, Python Advanced, and it returns the URL for the post. So automatically it generated the blog post, the title, the task, the answer, the code, everything, and then it uploaded the post directly into my weblog. So if I click on this, it goes directly to the blog post. So if I try to refresh here, you can see that now I have this blog post here, which is really amazing. So I can have a complete weblog fully automatic, so I don't have to do anything. I can, go traveling, I can go on vacation, I can have fun and do all kinds of things, and I don't have to touch it. So the only thing I need to do, I just need to complete this tool and iterate this tool. So basically, if I try to run this command 10 times, 20 times, 100 times, it's gonna generate hundreds of posts for me and upload. So the point here is that it's not only generates all these posts for me, but also uploads them to my blog. That's the beauty of this automatic tool. So I can have hundreds of posts uploaded to my weblog. And this is really amazing. This is the future basically. So a lot of things, a lot of contents are going to be like this. And I've already done something like this for videos. So basically we can have this for YouTube, for Instagram, for blog posts. And I'm doing this for every social media. So I've already created another video about YouTube, how I generated that tool and how I created that tool to generate some YouTube videos that can be uploaded to YouTube automatically. So the content is completely automatic. It's based on AI, and also it goes directly to YouTube. That's the beauty of using automatic tools. So these is, you see all kinds of videos about how to generate content using AI and using these generative tools. But the point is that at the end of the day, this is you need to do all of these things. You need to gather all this data together and then create your content. You create your blog post or create your video. And even if they create, to some extent, create a whole content video or blog post themselves, this is you. Actually, at the end of the day, you need to upload them yourself. So it's not even near to being automatic. But here we have a completely automatic tool that can create the content. Here you can see the title. It doesn't come from me. the title is completely generated by AI. So the idea for the titles are completely from AI itself. The answer and the code you see here is completely from AI. And but it took time to achieve this structure. For instance, first it starts with a really nice introduction, and then it tries to explain and solve the problem step by step using code examples. The next thing I'm gonna do is that add some Google ads here to my blog, so basically I can generate a money-making machine here. Let me show you the other thing. So basically there are two main important and free of charge source of viewers. First of all is Google search. So after a while it's gonna take time, but after a while your website is gonna appear in the search result, but it takes time. The fastest way is to use YouTube. So I have already created another tool for creating YouTube videos. So if you pay attention to this YouTube channel I have here, I already created another video explaining this, but here basically I have a completely automatic YouTube channel. It generates videos for me and then I'll upload it to my YouTube, so I don't have to do anything, absolutely nothing. And look at these views. So if you take a look at the views, it's 600, 500, 300, 200, and so far I earned around, let me show it to you, 150 subscribers, which is amazing. They don't know they're subscribing to an automatic AI-based YouTube channel. At some point I'm gonna monetize this, and then it's gonna generate money for me without me doing anything at all. That's the beauty of it. And then what I did here related to this blog post is that to generate some views for my blog, what I did is that I put the link to here. If you take a look at the description, you can see the blog post related to this video. So if I click on this, it goes to my blog and it's related to the script of the video. So if you want to access the code after watching the video, you need to come to my blog. So not only I can have some money from Google AdSense or YouTube AdSense, YouTube partnership at some point, but also I can have some Google ads in my blog. But this is just the beginning. We are just at the early stages, so I can't say anything for sure, but this is my plan to start making money out of this at some point. But first of all, I need to complete the tool. So if you want to have this tool, I highly suggest that you check the description of this video. I'm gonna put the link there because it's not ready yet, but I'm trying to complete it and make it better so you can have this for yourself. You can create your own blog, your own YouTube channel, and you can modify it in a way that it's gonna be unique for you, and you can have a completely automatic system in place so it can generate money for you at some point. So it's gonna take time, but after a while, maybe 6 months, creating videos and creating blog posts, it's gonna be in that level. But for now, if you want a link, make sure you check the description. Probably I'm gonna put a link there, and then you can enter your email address, and then you can wait for the tool to come back. So that's all for this video. I was really excited to share this with you, but yeah, that's it for now. Thanks so much.